This Alpine Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Mike Connell. Don't miss this charming single-level, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home situated on a corner lot in Northeast Bend, Oregon. Light and bright, the open concept floor plan offers vaulted ceilings, a cozy gas fireplace, and fresh paint throughout. Generous size master suite. Outside you'll find a spa just off the paver patio and a fully fenced backyard. Enjoy growing your own fruits and veggies in the south-facing raised garden beds. Beautifully landscaped and lovingly maintained, this home is in established Sunpointe Neighborhood. Convenient location close to medical facilities, shopping, and restaurants, and just a hop, skip and a jump away from Mountain View Park. No HOA fees. For more information, review the details below or